Pensavate fosse finita, vero? No, il sogno continua, sognando con voi, Otto Frizza. Dopo di noi, game over.
Allora non mi resta che dire che questa sera al Sognando con voi 8 più Frizz canta per voi e per noi il nostro amico Mimmo Scogliamiglio. Buona musica, live!
Don't go changing to try and please me. You never get me long before. You don't imagine you're too familiar, and I don't see you anymore. I wouldn't leave you in times of trouble. We never could have come this far. I talk the good times, I take the bad times, I'll take you just the way you are. Don't go trying some new fashion. Don't change the color of your hair. Don't do like me. You always have mine unspoken passion. Although I might not seem to care, I don't want clever conversation. I never want to work that hard. I just want someone that I can talk to. I like the way you just you are. The same old someone laid on you. Only day because you to me. The way that I believe in you. I said I love you, and that's forever. And this I promise for my heart. I couldn't love you any better. I love you just the way you are. Come in this way. Clever conversation. I never want to walk that hard. I reach out. I just need someone that I can talk to. I want you just the way you are. That's it.